First thing I'm going to do today is fix this. My sawdust shield minimizes the amount of sawdust going into the wheelhouse and getting stuck to the back of the drive belt. This broke off a few weeks ago. I'll post a link to that video, if I remember, in the description. What happened was I was sawing some irregular chunks of wood into blanks for turning bowls on the lathe, and a chunk flew off and smashed this on its way out into the sawdust pile. So what I did, it's got a piece of plastic which I will rivet to this one, sitting down in here after I trim it a little bit. Or all I have to do is bring this out a little bit. I think I'll do that. Move this blade guard forward. Now this fits here just about right. Thing to do now is drill 1/8" holes for 1/8" pop rivets. And put the first one in, and then drill the rest of the holes. And that's all there is to that. Now, we are ready to saw battens. The way this is going to work is, I have some 10 foot, 10 feet and a couple of inches. I've got some of these marked at a little over 4 feet, I think. Not all these battens are the same length, but for a batch of them, that 6 and 4 will cover with very, very little waste. So I'll do that and see how many more I need like that. I cut a kerf in all of these, but not the short one. And when I get to the bottom of the kerf, I'll cut them again. What I'm going to do is go down to the top of the highest board and then go down 1/2 inch each cut. That'll result in battens 1.5 inches wide, approximately 3/8 of an inch thick. I'll show the first cut in real time, unedited, and after that speed things up. Oops, don't want to cut that one. I misjudged that first cut. The top ones are way too thin. No idea what I said there. Maybe the CC will pick it up. I think what I'm going to do is take those out there and line them up where they go. See how many more I need of what. What I need is 6 out of the short board, none out of these. I'm going to come down, take off about 1/4 of an inch, and then I will have 4 2x4s, nominal. Lots of big knots in this one. Not too bad on this one. The first one's but not great as number 2. Just some wood. No, 1 out of 4. Each batten gets 1 6-penny galvanized nail at the center at each girt between the boards. Well, most of them are between the boards. I've speeded this section up 20 times because I'm sure you have better things to do than watch an old man pound nails one at a time. Some fitting is required. I'll box in the posts and cover that hole, but not right now. My power saws won't reach deep enough to trim the battens, but a Japanese-style pull saw makes quick work of it. It's almost 5 o'clock, so I'll do the end tomorrow. Only a dozen battens left. Next time, we'll build windows and install them. Thanks for watching.